Welcome back. In this session, we'll touch upon regional weather charts, automated surface observing system, and automated weather observing systems, both of which are available about 25 nautical miles from the intended airport and under 10,000 feet MSL. These are 1-minute broadcasts. Weather charts are graphic charts used in the beginning stages of flight planning. They usually cover the United States or large regions depicting major weather systems and fronts. ASOS and AWS stands for Automated Surface Observing Systems and Automated Weather Observing Systems. To understand this a little bit better, we need to do a little bit of a review of a controlled airport versus an uncontrolled airport. All right, for a controlled airport, this is one with an operating control tower or human observer. They use meteo reports with automatic terminal information service and may be directly transmitted from the controller to the observer. For uncontrolled airports, these may or may not be equipped with ASOS or AWS ground-to-air broadcasts. These are 1-minute updated airport weather broadcasts, approximately available 25 nautical miles from the airport and below 10,000 feet. Here we have two examples, one with AWOS and the other ASOS. The frequency for AWOS is 123.775, and the frequency for the ASOS is 134.725. Pretty easy.